Guys, we are transferring the purpose. We are transferring this purpose to the shamba.
Yeah. Yeah.
Chunga.
Young man.
Milan. Mkona mipapai mingi. Sijui niweke kwa babe, chunga usinichimbe. Unajua nishaichimbwa kichwa? Shaichimbwa kichwa na Jennifer. Yes, I'm telling him my sister actually dug me in the head. Yeah, I usually have 2 marks. So we're going to plant this one in the shamba. The same. Kuna ingine? Oh. Ukivuruta itatoka vizuri. Guys, look at that.
Imagine these pawpaws are growing just beside the house.
Just right outside. And you have a lot of pawpaws. Babe, what are these white things? I saw them in the...
They are white flies. I heard my mom call them white flies. But what are they called?
I don't know.
Insects. They were being sprayed yesterday.
There were so many of them. They're on the veggies. Guys, these are the veggies. Here, you know right now it's not rainy season. Huh? Any? Guys, so let's go. Amefurahi vile hajatoka. Hey, oh yeah. Hey. Guys, look at the dog. Simba. Hey, he's so happy to be outside. Yeah. Anafurahi sana kwa nje. So guys, we're transferring this to the shamba, okay? Today's on a Sunday. And my boyfriend traveling back. What is this? This is for kitchen garden. Huh? Mama. Eh? Guy. Nikikaa huku nitazoea kusikia, si ndio? Nasikia mkiongea haraka. Guys, you know, like I'm not used to, like I can hear like the Embu language, but because I'm not used to it, I hear them speaking so quick. Hey.
Let me grab some water.
Oh. So we're going to plant these ones here, guys. Here. Yeah. This is like the kitchen garden over here. And this is the main house. The one that you can see in front of me. It's the main house. We have like a wall mango tree right outside. A wall. What is this? Mapera. Zote tunapanda hapa nje. Lakini kaa kuna kitu mko nayo mingi ni pawpaws. Lakini vizuri. It's good. There's a lot of guys, that's my mom-in-law. So tutaweka mulching.
Mulching.
Yeah. Your mom loves farming, babe.
So much.
What about you?
Of course I am like like mother, like son.
Like mother, like son.
Yes. So yeah, one there.
Here, you know, there's already three. Actually not three. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Most of them are even aging. I don't know whether that one can produce again.
Hiya, Popo's age.
Yes.
I've never heard of that. Guys, Popo's age. Hmm? Eh? Milan, kuja huku. Ile itakuuma. Dudu. Dudu itakuuma. Oh, maji kwanza. As this is how you plant trees. Milan.
Ndui? Ai, sio tigana, sio topora cienge.
Ai kai wa bawire tembo se.
Nyamu iragwira wa boy.
Tembo se.
Zilikuwa kilo ngapi?
Tembo se mbira uratonyerere ba.
Ai, tigana.
Tigana. Tembo se kugira mbira uratonyerere.
Wakiringa riu nembo se.
Mama huwezi zipata sahi.
Riu kumaramire guko guo.
Ndio dogi.
Tata.
Simba. Simba.
Nakatua nae.
Kire kingi. Ningai mwega. Nirakuva nawe riria wina maundu maku na guku.
Milana anakuanga dunia yake. No, it's good.
Kabothi ugire kaka tikagwata vai. Uthio urute kengi vale.
Hizo mbosho zilikuwa kilo ngapi?
Mbili.
Achana nazo. Kama ni kilo 2, hawezi zipata sahi.
Mondo naona bosi ikakunia ale kwanza ale aitige.
Guys, my boyfriend yesterday was carrying like beans with the motorcycle and they fell on the road at night. And we didn't realize it until the morning. And now, mom is so worried about them. She's like, let's just go and look for them. And they're telling her to let it go. Babe, umeacha hizi vitu hapa?
I'm thinking of replacing that one.
The popo?
Yes.
Why?
Mom is saying it might not
grow.
Yes.
Why?
So let me get another one there.
Where will you get another one now?
We replace this one. We have so many there.
Why don't you plant the 2 of them together?
Yes, I can plant together.
Milan?
Kuja.
Bye. Ataanguka hapo ndani huyu mtoto. Come here. Ooh! Tunde. Guys, is just learning how to walk. 1 year. 1 year old. He's very quick, this boy. Let's go and get. This is an outdoor jiko.
Ugakũranirie na kĩrĩa ingi gekari ũguo gaĩ sawa rĩu nĩ kaumu wega nona
Guys, look at how there are many over here. So many pawpaws.
na kamwe nĩ kega
Where? Guys, this one, you know how sharp it is. Yani it's a keto you're throwing away like this. You're not serious.
But it's not good.
It's spoiled.
Yes.
We can't remake it, and the way these kettles can't be found nowadays. And we can remake it.
How now?
Guys, these kettles are so hard to find nowadays. And it's broken over here. I don't know how to make it, but I love them. They remind me so much of home. Umereplace haraka, lakini mbona mama anasema hiyo ama ni vile hujatoa na mizizi? Oh guys, this one doesn't have enough roots. That's why we had to replace it. Na mulching
Kama ni panda.
Unaweza kapanda tu kale, yani just in case it can grow.
In case.
Just in case. You don't give up on something. Hakuna maji.
Itaenda.
Tukungoje.
Wakati wa mvua tupande kingine.
Because you're planting it just in case.
Hapo nitachimba. Hapo nitaangalia mtu wa kuchimba. Na ningia basi ndio sema.
Hapa.
Kuweka zima vitu. Because you're trying to put mulching.
Hii haina sinda.
Kama
hii haina sinda.
Si lazima
ile miti.
Oh, guys, this one is not a must to be put mulching. That is what mama said.
Naambiwa tufanyange na kampuni ya Rimbua, lakini si miti yote.
Oh.
Popo haina sinda.
Okay.
Kwanza ikipewa maji.
Na unajua kunataka kuanza kunyesha. Guys, it's almost to rain. Once the rain starts, this place will be so beautiful. We'll plant sugarcane or sweet potatoes and a lot of purpose. Oh, Mom has a lot of fruits. I'm telling you, she has every fruit you can think of in this home.
Guava.
Hey, nimeshikwa na kitu kwenye mabebe.
Guava.
I'm waiting for the day we'll have guavas. So, can you tell them what we are planning to do here?
We are planning to extract this kind of grass.
Yeah, this grass, guys. We will dry it up.
It's not usually good design.
Yeah, it's so dense. Like, look at it. It can hide insects. And it dries up during the dry season.
We are going to replace with this one.
This is the best grass.
Yeah.
I heard it. I don't know what's the name, but this grass, guys, it never dries up. It's always green even in dry season. So when it starts raining, this entire area here will be grass. For now, we can't plant it without rain. Yeah, guys. Tumemaliza. Kuja tuambie bye. Guys, that's my boyfriend.
So guys, that was a small exercise. So we are going to see and to meet you in another video.
Yeah.
But We are going to do a lot, by the way, in the farm. We
In
are
the
we are also
village.
thinking about, yeah, in the village. We are also thinking about adding some more chicken
Yeah.
to our mom. Then, but for us, these are for layers.
Mm-hmm.
So we are thinking we can have, because we have to, what are they called, these ones?
The shed,
Yes,
kitchen shed.
yes. There is some that are not being used at the moment.
Mm.
So we can put some,
Chicken.
yeah, for all are they called, the broilers, for meat.
Yeah.
Mm.
Chicken for meat.
Specifically for meat.
Yeah, so guys, this is my mom-in-law.
Yeah.
You've already met her. So they're getting used to the camera, guys, and they're doing good. What can you say? And I'm really grateful. Thank you so much for watching. More content is coming, more village content. Guys, I feel like I thrive so well in the village. I thrive so well in the village than in the city. Sindio, baby?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so I'm going to,
Everything is flowing.
yeah, when I come here, everything flows. Let's end the video here, so guys, because we want to cook lunch and all that. See you in the next one. Continue supporting, continue liking, continue. Just share the love. See you in the next one.
Welcome.
Yeah.